What is mentioned as a place of industry in West Bengal? A. Calcutta. B. Jamshedpur. C. Kulti. D. Rishra. The correct answer is A. Calcutta. What type of media is radio classified as? A. Broadcast media. B. Print media. C. Digital media. D. Social media. The correct answer is A. Broadcast media. What effect do abscisic acid and ethylene have on plant growth? A. They promote it. B. They have no effect. C. They inhibit it. D. They stimulate it. The correct answer is C. They inhibit it. What is one of the main topics introduced in the warm thermal physics section? A. Convex lens properties. B. Heat and temperature. C. Virtual image formation. D. Optic center functions. The correct answer is B. Heat and temperature. Which feature is listed as part of the major relief of the ocean floor? A. Continental drift. B. Continental rise. C. Island arcs. D. Oceanic trenches. The correct answer is B. Continental rise. What is the purpose of preparing a solution from hibiscus flowers? A. To create a dye. B. To serve as an indicator. C. To make a beverage. D. To use as a fertilizer. The correct answer is B. To serve as an indicator. What happens to the chemical properties of a substance during a physical change? A. They transform into new properties. B. They remain unchanged. C. They are completely destroyed. D. They are enhanced. The correct answer is B. They remain unchanged. What is the confirmed gas inside the test tube that burns with a pop sound? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is C. Hydrogen. Which European countries are among the most densely populated? A. European Russia, Ukraine, and Belarus. B. Bulgaria, Italy, and Macedonian Greece. C. Iceland and Norway. D. Monaco, Malta, San Marino, and the Netherlands. The correct answer is D. Monaco, Malta, San Marino, and the Netherlands. Which of the following are compared based on their properties regarding particle size? A. Crystalline, amorphous, and gaseous solids. B. Metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. C. Acids, bases, and salts. D. True solutions, colloids, and suspensions. The correct answer is D. True solutions, colloids, and suspensions. What is represented by a curved line drawn by joining plotted points around a magnet? A. A gravitational field line. B. A thermal gradient. C. A magnetic line of force. D. An electric current path. The correct answer is C. A magnetic line of force. Where is the object placed for a concave mirror to produce a 3 times magnified real image? A. At 7 centimeters in front of the mirror. B. Between the pole and the focal point. C. Beyond the center of curvature. D. At the focal point. The correct answer is A. At 7 centimeters in front of the mirror. Which of the following is not required for sound to travel? A. Can object. B. The medium. C. Vibrations. D. A vacuum. The correct answer is D. A vacuum. How are metals modified for various uses in metallurgy? A. By reacting them with noble gases. B. By converting them into alloys. C. By crushing them into powder. D. By cooling them to absolute zero. The correct answer is B. By converting them into alloys. Who collected the 4,000 poems of Nammajhavar into the Divya Prabandham? A. Haridasa. B. Periyajhavar. C. Nathmuni. D. Andal. The correct answer is C. Nathmuni. What does the German term Inselberg mean? A. Wind erosion. B. Rock valley. C. Sand dune. D. Island mountain. The correct answer is D. Island mountain. Besides steppe grasslands, what other major biome is mentioned as spreading across both continents? A. Tundra. B. Deserts. C. Tropical forests. D. Coniferous forests. The correct answer is D. Coniferous forests. What term is used to describe regions that have great economic importance due to their biodiversity? A. Biodiversity hotspots. B. Temperate zones. C. Arid zones. D. Polar regions. The correct answer is A. Biodiversity hotspots. In gravity separation, what happens to the lighter gangue particles? A. They settle in the grooves. B. They form a froth. C. They are washed down by water. D. They are attracted to magnets. The correct answer is C. They are washed down by water. What happened to the people after the collapse of the Indus civilization? A. They developed new trade routes. B. They established new urban centers immediately. C. They migrated. D. They integrated with foreign invaders. The correct answer is C. They migrated. What is the material that erupts onto the Earth's surface from its interior? A. Rock. B. Ash. C. Magma. D. Lava. The correct answer is D. Lava. What is a propellant in the context of a rocket's propulsion system? A. A sensor for guidance. B. A communication device. C. The fuel used for thrust. D. Part of the structural frame. The correct answer is C. The fuel used for thrust. Which current is one reason for the formation of the Arizona and Sonora deserts? A. California current. B. West Australian current. C. Alaska current. D. Oyashio-Kuril current. The correct answer is A. California current. What does capital involve to get future benefits? A. Present sacrifice. B. Immediate consumption. C. No sacrifice. D. Future sacrifice. The correct answer is A. Present sacrifice. What tax did Aurangzeb reimpose on Hindus? A. Zakat. B. Kharaj. C. Ghazi. D. Jizya. The correct answer is D. Jizya. What can be the maximum daily water loss from the body due to diarrheal disease? A. 1 liter. B. A few deciliters. C. Several liters. D. A few milliliters. The correct answer is C. Several liters. What industry led to mica becoming very popular? A. Textile industry. B. Automotive industry. C. Electrical industry. D. Food processing industry. The correct answer is C. Electrical industry. What topics does the Thirukkural consider? A. Religion, philosophy, and war. B. Morality, statecraft, and love. C. History, science, and art. D. Geography, economics, and law. The correct answer is B. Morality, statecraft, and love. What is the purpose of symbols for political parties? A. To show their historical origins. B. To represent their leaders. C. To denote their financial status. D. To identify them during elections. The correct answer is D. To identify them during elections. Which country was identified as a French base in West Africa? A. Senegal. B. Mozambique. C. Liberia. D. Angola. The correct answer is A. Senegal. How did you score?